Welcome to the RFID kit for Arduino tutorial series. Last time we used the I2C LCD1602 to display strings. Today let's learn lesson 6, buzzer. Actually, the experiment is quite simple. That is, use the SunFounder Uno board to cause the buzzer to sound. So, what is a buzzer? It is an electrical device with integrated structure and produces a buzzing sound as a signal. Though small, it is widely used in computers, printers, alarms, electronic toys, etc. or voice devices. You may see it or most possibly hear it now and then in daily life. So let's start the experiment to investigate this little device. First, let's look at the experimental phenomenon. You can hear the humming of the buzzer. It won't stop until you cut the circuit. Now let's take a look at the components we need for the experiment. The SunFounder Uno board, a USB cable, a few jumper wires, a breadboard, and a buzzer. Buzzers can be categorized as active and passive ones, as we can see here. Turn the pins of two buzzers face up. The one with a green circuit board is a passive buzzer, while the other closed with a black tape is an active one. An active buzzer has a built-in oscillating source, so it will make sounds when electrified. But a passive buzzer does not have such source. We need to use square waves whose frequency is between 2000 and 5000 to drive it. A passive buzzer is of lower price than an active one. Its frequency can be controlled. Under circumstances, it can share one port with an LED. On the other hand, an active buzzer is much easier to be controlled by programming. So in this experiment, we use an active buzzer. Now comes the experimental principle. It is fairly simple, that is, to program by the SunFounder Uno board and cause the buzzer to hum. Okay, let's start build the circuit. Plug the buzzer into the breadboard. Connect the anode of the buzzer to pin 12 of the SunFounder Uno board and the cathode to ground. After finishing the circuit, open the IDE and type in your code. Connect the active buzzer to pin 12. The pin mode function configures the specified pin to behave either as an input or an output. Here we set the variable buzzer as output. This function makes the following code circulate indefinitely. In 80 milliseconds, the buzzer sounds a millisecond and then stops for 1 millisecond. This cycle repeats till 80 milliseconds pass and the loop exists. The digital write function is to write a high or low value to a digital pin. Here we set it as high. Delay 1 millisecond. Set the buzzer as low. Delay 1 millisecond. Output a frequency. In 100 milliseconds, the buzzer sounds 2 milliseconds and then stops for 2 milliseconds. This cycle repeats till 100 milliseconds pass and the loop exists. Set the buzzer as high. Delay 2 milliseconds. Set the buzzer as low. Delay 2 milliseconds. Output another frequency. The two kinds of frequency cause the buzzer to make sounds. Compile the code and check whether there is an error. If not, Then connect the SunFounder Uno board with your computer and download the program. Now we can hear the humming of the buzzer. Okay, we've done the experiment. Couldn't be much easier. But please keep the related knowledge of the buzzer in mind, because we will play with it in the subsequent experiments. Thanks for watching. If you find our video useful, get more from our website www.sunfounder.com, and there are more surprises waiting.